continue with the explanation, theoretical explanation. In the last video of the previous class, I had shown you this screen. Okay, so now let's start from this screen only. Here you can see the various elements present in the welcome screen or the startup screen of MS Word. Okay, these are rulers, cursor, office button, quick access toolbar from where you can quickly access the various commands, then minimize button, maximize button, close button, ribbon, this is the ribbon, then document area, and last is status bar, this is title bar. Okay, so now let's start with the screen elements of MS Word. Means about these elements we will study here. Title bar, it is present at the top of the screen. Title bar displays the name of the current document and current program. It also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. This explanation of title bar is applicable in all the applications of Windows. Okay, all the applications of MS Office also. So it is present at the top and it displays the name of the current document. If the name is not saved, so I told you that it will display document number 1, because this is Microsoft Word. This is the name of the application and this is the document. Suppose you have written any essay and you save it by the name of essay. So here the name will change to document 1 will change to essay. Okay children. Then it also contains minimize, maximize and close buttons. These buttons will be available in all the applications. Then quick access toolbar helps us to do the common tasks with just one click. This is present on the title bar. Okay, this is present here, and here we can find these buttons, find these commands which we can just simply click. We don't have to search for these commands. And if you want to add or remove any command in this small toolbar, what you can do, you can go to this arrow, click on it and it will show you the various commands. You can check or uncheck and add or remove the commands from here. Okay, fine. Then office button. Office button contains various menus to work in MS Word. Means various menus are there which you can from where you can work in the MS Word. Then document area is a large white space to type text. Document area is just like your copy page where you can write. Okay, so we need a space where we can do our work, and document area is that space. Then cursor, it tells the position of the typed text. The blinking line on the document area is called the cursor. Wherever you are typing in the document, it will show, the cursor will show you that this place the typing is being done, or this place you can do the typing. Okay, you can change the position of the cursor using arrow keys or even enter when you are typing for a new document. Then ribbon. Ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains commands arranged in different groups. Means ribbon is this complete whole part. This whole part is ribbon. Okay children, this whole part is ribbon. These are various tabs: home tab, insert tab, page layout, references, mailings. These are various tabs, and these are the various groups under these tabs. Means right now this tab is opened, view. View is what? Tab, and under this we can see these groups. That is, document view is a group, then show hide is a group, zoom is a group, and window is a group, and then macros is a group. These are present in this. If we will open review tab, new groups will be there. If we will open mailings tabs, again new groups will be there. So these are various commands which are arranged in groups, and these groups are further arranged in tabs. and these tabs are present where? In this ribbon. Okay children. Now you can see here one more tab is open, that is Home tab. In Home tab, what are the groups? Clipboard group, where all these cutting pasting commands are there. Then Font group is there, where different commands related to fonts are there. Then Paragraph group, here different functions related to paragraph are given. Then this is Style, here different choices regarding the styles is given. And last is Editing. Okay children, so these groups are present under Home tab. Now status bar. Status bar, this displays the page number, number of words and zoom option. So what does the status bar displays? These three, in which page number you are working, how many words are being done, and zoom option. Rulers, these keep track of the page margins, height and width of the page. Okay, these are set also, page margins etc. are set, and we can set ourselves also. Okay, so as per that the change in the page will occur. Practice time, open MS Word on your computer screen, find out where the above mentioned screen elements are positioned. If you have system at home and if you can practice along with your parents, then you can do this at home. Okay. Do you know MS Office is a software package developed by Microsoft? It consists of different software programs such as MS Office Word, MS Office PowerPoint, MS Office Excel, MS Office Access. The latest version of Microsoft Word is MS Word 2010. So it is developed by Microsoft MS Office, and it contains different programs related to Office which are required in general working of the offices. Okay, the latest version in this is MS Word 2010.